Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. This is your 5-minute, no, today 10-minute turbo update for Bitcoin and an update for Solana. Yesterday we entered a trade in Solana. I showed you this video, so we will check this. We will talk about this, what's going on. Let's go, guys. So this is the day after the all-time high. What's going on? We should buy the day, the 4-hour, the 2-hour, and the 1-hour is telling us we should buy Bitcoin. Okay, guys, this is really amazing, but we will check what's going on now with Bitcoin. Should we buy? Should we sell? What's going on? Here is CoinMarketCap. You can see on 24 hours, Bitcoin is growing 3.3% in the plus in 24 hours. Ethereum is growing more. Bitcoin is making 14% in 7 days. Ethereum is making 18%, and in 24 hours, 11% in the plus. The Binance coin is going up a little bit, also in the week a little bit. Cardano is going up 7.6%, nice. And Solana, yesterday pumped 20%, and yes, we are in this big pump. I hope you saw my video. I will show you soon what's going on with Solana. So in the week, 26% in the plus for Solana. This is nice. In 24 hours, the biggest winner is Nexo and place number 2. Yes, yippee-yay, this is Solana with 20% and Torchain is going up with 16%. Biggest loser, and look at this, guys. We do not have here big losers. Only a few coins here in a little minus, but these are the tokens, not the real coins. And guys, this is nice. On 7 days, OKB, the biggest winner with 49% in the plus. Nexo is going up 35%, Zcash is going on with 27%. Solana is also here going up really nice. Biggest loser, Flow, Rewind, and Telcoin. Guys, this is the Bitcoin dominance, and look at this. We are here for the moment on 46%. And this was the big problem yesterday. We saw the spike up to our Fibonacci line, our 2.36 Fibonacci line at 47%. After this, we saw a big spike to the downside. And this was the moment for yesterday to trade with the altcoins. This was better to trade Solana, Ethereum, and some other coins as Bitcoin because we saw a little dump here to the downside. But it's not over. I think it's possible to see the next try here for the Fibonacci line. And if we will see this, guys, Bitcoin will act better as the altcoins. This would be the time to trade Bitcoin and not the altcoin. If we can break out over this 47 Fibonacci line, this may be the end of the altcoin season and may be a new start for Bitcoin season. So guys, I told you, Solana yesterday, we will break out. We saw yesterday this beautiful triangle and it was a really, really nice trade. I'm still in the trade. I would like to show you what's going on here with Solana. And you can see it if you're zooming in a little bit more. We broke out of the triangle here. And if you are not in a long position from the downside, I told you guys, please, it's possible to make a long position after the breakout. I made a long position at 164 US dollar after the breakout here. And we saw a really nice big spike here to the upside. Nice gains. The first target was this one, 177. This was the Fibonacci line 0.618. And we saw a nice spike over this line. Then we saw some problems here. You can see big spikes to the upside and to the downside. And now we are fighting near to my next target, 194 US dollar. This is the 0.786 Fibonacci. And guys, this is now a really important resistance. If we can't fight against this resistance, I will take profit here a little bit because I think this is one of the important Fibonacci lines we have to watch. If we can see a confirmed breakout over this, the next targets here, 216, and the next big target, 250, 260, this is really possible for Solana. So we have to watch this, guys. If we can break out over this, and if we will not break out, we should take some profit here, guys, on this Fibonacci line on 194. I made a really nice leveraged long position here on Bybit. Please join me on Bybit. I have there an account. You can join me and you can make some nice extra money if you are joining my account. I have this in the description. Now, guys, it's the Bitcoin update. So let's move on with the Bitcoin. Here is the Bitcoin, and we saw a nice breakout to this yellow line. What is this yellow line? Where do you draw this yellow line? I will show you soon, guys. We saw here a really nice spike to the upside, nearly 67,000, and then down again. I have to say I took some profit here from a long position here at 67,000, a little bit under 67,000 because of this fight with this yellow line. And yes, I took a little profit here and I bought back on the red line. I will show you why a red line, why this blue line, and why these yellow lines are so important and what are they, where they come from, guys. So let's zoom out a little bit on the 1 hour and you can see these lines here. First of all, this is the big fat green parallel channel to the upside. I have to draw it a little better here. It's yes, like this, and to the upside like this here. So you can see it now. This big fat parallel channel to the upside is our uptrend, and we are acting in this uptrend, and you can see the middle line is the middle of this parallel channel. And this was the fight yesterday. We saw a nice breakout down again, and now we are fighting again on the middle line. And you can see, guys, this middle line is so important. You can see it on some other things here. You can see it here. We saw a big fight with the middle line, a breakout, a retest, and then we lost the middle line to the downside. So for the moment, the middle line is our big resistance. Remember this blue line is a big resistance. I have this line also on my live stream, guys. I'm streaming live 24 hours, 7 days a week. The name is Bitcoin Trading Informant on YouTube and on Twitch. Thank you. So this next line, Biti, this yellow line, what is this? You can see it is. This yellow line is the line from the downside, from the highest point over this point to the upside. And you can see this is now our big resistance line. And that's the reason why I took profit here a little bit from a long trade. And I rebought here on the red line. I will show you also what's going on with the red line. This red line here, you can see this is coming from the left side. It's an older line. It's an old resistance line. And this is the line. This showed us Higgy on the live stream. We spoke about this. This is this line here on the daily. It's a better one. And if we are drawing this, guys, I will not delete it soon. So I will keep this line here in my chat or in my chart. And now you can see why this is so important, because we saw a nice rejection here on this, a spike down, completely perfect hit here. I made here a new little long position because I saw this hit here, and then I'm in a little long position now, in a big long position, and now in a little long position. Everything is working fine, guys. Everything is working good here. You can see it here better, these nice spikes to the downside. They are really, really nice. And here was a little season for me to make a little long position to the upside. Now, guys, you can look on the ribbon band. We are still over the ribbon band. We saw bad spikes down to the ribbon band, to the last line of the ribbon band, but we are still over this ribbon band. Everything is okay. Everything is working. So green line is a support line now. You know this, guys. And now let's check the RSI. What's going on with the relative strength index? And you saw, oh my God, 83 points. We saw an overbought RSI. And now we are down again a little bit on the 1 hour time frame. Also, we lost this green line here. This green line was a nice support here, and we lost it here on this point. So we are for the moment under the RSI. It's not so important, but we are now under this support. Let's check the 4 hour time frame, and let's check here the RSI from the downside to the upside. And you can see, okay, this line, this RSI on the 4 hour time frame is working for us, and we have a little space to the downside. Okay, this is good. This is a nice support. And on the daily, oh, we are extreme overbought. You can see it here. We are so high. We have a support line from the downside, and this is not so important for us for the moment because there's a lot of space to the downside. We don't need to watch this. Okay, guys, let's move on here a little bit. Let's forget the RSI and let's check the next things here. Remove all drawings. I will show you this one here. These are the candlestick patterns. These are all candlestick patterns here for the moment. They are not so important for us. You can see here a lower upper shadow, but it's not so important. For the moment, we will check this one. These are the candlestick that identified. Let me show you this also really quick here. And this is the reason, guys, I'm really, how should I say, afraid a little bit, because a lot of bearish signs here. No bullish sign, no bullish engulfing. And we're also going up and up and up. We see here bearish signs and we're going up. This is not normal, guys, and I'm afraid here a little bit what's going on with this stuff here, guys. So it's not so important to watch the candlestick pattern, but we need this to keep this in our mind. Bearish patterns, and we're going up and up and up. This is not normal. A lot of volume here, a lot of money here in the market. And so, guys, you know why it is so dangerous to trade here on this upper side here. I am trading on the downside. I'm buying on the downside, selling on the upside. This is for the moment not the right thing, in my opinion, to make a long position, because we are fighting here on the upside of all of these resistances. Guys, I know it's possible to see 100,000 on the year, end of the year, or 300,000. I know that, guys, but it's better to lose some money here as to lose a lot of money if you're buying in a long position here and then we're going to the downside. So you can see a lot of lines, a lot of resistances, guys. Attention, attention. This is a really dangerous situation. Do not make long positions here because you are greedy or because you are fear of missing something. Guys, this is now a really dangerous situation. So we will make tomorrow the next update. I will show you tomorrow the next targets to the upside. And this is it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice time. Greetings. Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant.
System activated.